The same guy we got that those two boats just gave us this thing too. We traded a Briggs and Stratton go-kart motor for this bike that we got. Yeah, we got the motor for free, and we just got this old FZR600. So it was dropped back in the 90s probably, but it should run. We just turned it over. It's got compression. It's gonna be sweet. Had to drill the gas cap off of it to get it off, but this thing's been sitting for years, and somehow the slides are still good. I'm betting this asshole 12-pack that this thing will start.
Oh man,
12-pack.
Buy you enough beer.
I say it starts in like the first 10 rolls.
It's gonna start.
Yeah, we'll see if it runs.
It's gonna start.
We're gonna be doing burnouts in this by the end of the day, hopefully. Got it all taken apart. Got some starter fluid. See if she starts. Shit, battery's dead. Look at that. It's the best looking free bike ever. It's a little fucked up on this side, but Eric's really excited with this thing. Someone fucked it up, hit the ground pretty hard.
Yeah. Needs a new case, but you know,
not bad for free. Should be a good race bike.
What we have here is a lossless system. You can see as the oil changes out of this, it goes into the oil pan from whence it came, and we just put it right back in. This shouldn't work.
This should not run. Fuck it, track racing.
Fucking track bike. As is, track bike.
Right.